Hi, students. In math, we are going to be learning a new section with shapes. So I'm really excited that we're learning something a little bit different. But I want to review some important terms with you guys. So, for example, if we have a closed shape, that means there's not any openings. So if you look down to this example, you notice little gaps right in here. That means this shape is an open shape. But if you don't see any gaps, so this one above, for example, it has no open area. So this is a closed shape. And then if we go to this shape over here, how many sides does it have? Sides are the smooth areas in a shape. So for example, for this shape of a rectangle, it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. But then we have the word vertices. Now, vertices are points where two sides meet. So if we go to the points right here, 1, 2, 3, 4. It also has 4 vertices. But for this statement, it says select the closed shapes with 4 vertices. Now, for example, the circle, it's a closed shape, but it does not have 4 vertices because there's not any sharp point within that shape. But if you go down below, 1, 2, 3, 4, and is there any open areas in this shape? No, so this one meets what we're looking for. And if we go below rectangle, we have the shape of a diamond. And we notice that there's 1, 2, 3, 4 sharp edges. And is there any open areas in this diamond? No. So this meets our criteria. So it's closed and it has 4 sharp edges. And then if we go down below, we see it's also a rectangle. And there's not any open areas, so it is indeed closed. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 sharp edges or 4 vertices. So this one also meets the criteria. And we go on to the next shape. Do you see any open areas in this shape? No. So it is closed, but how many vertices does it have? It has 1, 2, 3. So it does not meet what we're looking for because we're only looking for 4 vertices. And if we go to the shape below, it is close as there's not any open areas poking out, but it only has 1, 2 vertices. And if we go down below, there is some open points. So this is not a closed shape. And if we go down here to the square, there's not any open area, so it is closed. And we count the shapes. Or count the corners, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, which is what we're looking for. Okay, let's check our work. And we did it! Let's go to the next section. So for this problem, it says select the closed shapes. So we're looking for shapes with no open areas and with no straight sides. So we're not looking for anything straight side. So the shapes we're going to be looking for are the sides is going to be curved. So if we go to our first shape, we have the circle. And if we look at the circle is special because it doesn't have any sides or vertices. In this example, it is closed and it has no straight sides. So this is an example. And then we go down below, we have half a circle, but then we have a straight line. And then this problem says it wants no straight sides. So this will not fit because there is one straight side, even though it is curved right here. And if we go down here, we notice that this shape is also closed, but how many straight sides are there? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, so this will not fit what we're looking for. And if we go down here, we have another circle, and it is indeed closed, and there is no straight sides. And then if we go to this shape over here, this one's open, so it doesn't meet our closed shape that we're looking for. And if we go below, we have a closed shape, but there is 2 straight sides, so that will not fit what we're looking for. And if we go down here, the hexagon, it is a closed shape, but it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 straight sides. And if we go down below the hexagon, we have another circle, and it is closed. and there's no straight sides, so that will fit what we're looking for. So basically, the only shape in this problem is the circle, the closed shape and no straight sides. So in this section in Big Ideas Math, you're going to be identifying different types of shapes. You're going to look for whether if it's closed or open. So right here is an example of a closed shape because there's no open areas. But then if you look over here, this is a shape that is open. And then you're going to be identifying shapes with straight sides like this or with curved sides like this. And if you have any more additional questions about shapes, please feel free to make an appointment with me during my office hours. I'll be more than happy to help you guys out. And I'll catch you guys next time in math. Bye.